This port is just crazy hectic and it's very complicated. So first you need to actually go to this little booth to pay the environmental fee. Morning, Simon here. I'm just on the rooftop watching sunrise. It's pretty nice and it's gonna be very hot again. Anyway, today I'm taking a ferry after a long time again, finally going from Mindanao to Leyte. And from I understood, there are basically two options. Well, he's so light. I'm just gonna go there and hope I'm not gonna wait way too long, but I'm a little bit afraid it might be a bit too chaotic and a bit too complicated, but alright, we are just about approaching the Lipata port. You can see the lorries already lining up here, but let's just skip ahead and see. The San Ricardo shipping was that building, never mind. I'm going farther. There is the port, and on the right side there is gonna be the ticketing office of the Montenegro shipping, so let's just stop there. Yeah, right here it is. There are some people, but not that much, so hopefully it's gonna be fast-ish. Now they told me there is a schedule and I cannot buy the ticket already because it's fully booked. So it's 10 and the next boat is 12, and they start issuing the next ticket at 12 p.m. but the boat goes at 6 p.m. What I am gonna do is probably go to the San Ricardo and see if they have any availability sooner. Yeah, this very weird building is the San Ricardo shipping, so let's see what they say. Okay, I'm back at the hotel. It didn't go exactly according to plan, but yeah, at least I think I understand now. So the Montenegro shipping, it actually has only one boat and it takes a long time before it arrives, so in the end there is actually a schedule, and the boat was 10 and then 6 p.m. and yeah, I couldn't get on the early boat, and then it was already booked. Yeah, it's so frustrating because I was there yesterday and speaking with the same person, and they told me I couldn't buy it before. So yeah, after that I went to San Ricardo and they seem to have some type of schedule. So yeah, I gave them the papers and now I'm just waiting for them to start issuing the tickets. That should be in like 2 hours. After that I'm gonna go back there and hopefully would be able to go on the boat. But yeah, this is just so unprofessional. I don't know how this can exist like this. I expected like this is one of the most frequent ferries. There is gonna be like some pace to it, some system, but no, it's just like a bunch of people having a good time, it looks like. So yeah, welcome to the Philippines. I got the ticket now. It's just a piece of paper. It's like fucking useless, but whatever. Looks like I can board the boat now, so I think now I need to go to the Coast Guard and then drive to the port. So you know, there is a very huge line of vehicles. I have no idea, so let's just try to go there and see what they tell me to. Right, so this port is just crazy hectic and it's very complicated. So this is the access road. Here is the main entry port. So first you need to actually go to this little booth to pay the environmental fee, which is 50 pesos. And
hey, my friend.
After that, hi, how are you doing? And after that you go through this little valley. There is a Coast Guard booth over there and you show them the papers, and yeah, after that you are just free to come in again and then go to the, and over there in that building is the terminal fee, so that's where I'm going next. Right, so they found a way to make even this little thing even more complicated, so got a lot more papers. So first you go at this window 1, you present your ticket and your registration, and then you go to the other window to actually pay the terminal fee, which is 129. So yeah, it could have really been just one window, but yeah, whatever. Now I guess I'm gonna go somewhere there. I don't really have much of an idea, but yes, it's just, if it could be just like one window and one payment for a whole ferry, no, you go for like 8 and give job to like 20 people. This is crazy. And now there are 2 lines. I don't know, some people are going that way. I really have no idea where are they coming from and where are they going, but it looks like there is gonna be an security inspection, but it looks like they don't really stop the cars, so, well, they stop but not like they search. So let's hope it's gonna be simple. Now they are telling us to go farther, skip this line. I really have no idea, there's other dude. It looks like we are gonna go on the boat straight away. So yeah, this is the Montenegro. There is the lorry, big one, and this is San Ricardo, that's ours. But there is no one to even show me where to go, so I'm not really sure. Right, I'm on the boat. This was not the best, but yeah, I'm parked so fucking close. I'm gonna need to use the other side to get out of the car, but yeah, I guess I cannot stay inside, so I'm gonna go up and see if there is something, but I don't really think there is much, so... Right, I'm on the boat. It looks like I'm still the only one up here. The boat is still quite empty. Hope they are not gonna wait to fill it all up before we go. But yeah, I just noticed something. There is the passenger terminal, and just look at the amount of people. I'm expecting they are all gonna come here. It's like vampires hiding in the shadow, just right above the line. There is so many people. It's like zombies. Oh my god, this is a bit too much. So fucking complicated over a very simple thing. Yeah, I don't really understand, but I'm on the boat, so all I can do now is just wait. So yeah, there are some kids swimming right by the boat. A little bit dangerous, but okay. Finally on the boat, the move. Yeah, it was like delayed 2 hours, and you can really see why. I have never seen a ferry packed so tightly like this. Usually there is only 3 rows of cars, now there are 4, and the front row is very close to the ramp, so... Alright, made it back to the car. The AC is running now, but yeah, it is so tight, like I almost didn't squeeze in between the cars. Like, look at the gap. There is really no gap. It's crazy. Yeah, it's been absolutely crazy journey, and yeah, I'm gonna take this ferry again going back, and then again once more, so yeah, I think I'm gonna do a proper guide later on, because this was just so hectic. Look at this is crazy. Like, I think we are at the port, and yeah, the gaps between the cars are so tight, but the people decided to try and squeeze through anyway. It's fucking mental. Like, how are we supposed to drive with the boat if there are people going and now the car is moving? fuck's sake, it's so easy to just like